A young man named Ryan always thought he was not smart. One day, his teacher gave him a simple puzzle. Ryan looked at it and said, "I can't do this." But the teacher smiled and said, "Just try for 2 minutes." Ryan tried, slowly. He made mistakes. He felt confused. But after a few minutes, something changed. His mind started to connect ideas. Suddenly, he solved it. He was shocked. The teacher said, "You were never bad at thinking. You just stopped too early." That day, Ryan learned something powerful. Thinking is not talent, it is a skill. So let me ask you, do you also feel like Ryan sometimes? You think, "I am not good at thinking. I can't understand fast. I am not smart enough." But here is the truth. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Today, I will teach you 3 simple ways to improve your thinking skills. Point 1. Slow down your thinking. Most people try to think fast. That is the mistake. Good thinkers think slowly and clearly. When you see a problem, don't rush. Pause and ask yourself, what is this really about? What do I already know? This small habit will make your thinking deeper and smarter. Point 2. Ask better questions. Your brain works based on questions. If you ask weak questions like, "Why am I so bad?" your brain gives weak answers. Instead, ask strong questions like, "What can I learn from this? What is another way to see this?" Better questions equal better thinking. Point 3. Practice daily thinking. Thinking is not magic, it is practice. Every day, do small exercises. Solve puzzles, read and reflect, write your thoughts. Even 10 minutes a day can change your brain. Remember Ryan? He didn't become smart in one day. He just didn't quit early. So from today, stop saying, "I can't think." Start saying, "I am learning to think better." Because you are not weak, you are just untrained, and training starts today. If you found this helpful, comment below, "I am improving my thinking." And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart English Stories for more powerful learning. See you in the next video.